Moving on from tick boxes, we can create our own drop-down boxes. So again, if we come to Insert, come down here to Drop Down, click on this, we can put some options in here. So let's just say we're making a team. So let's just put some names in here. We can assign colors to these names, so we're going to just click on each of these options here. And you can add as many as you like, and then just click Done. And now we've created a drop-down list. If you select this, so let's copy this. Let's use autofill. Let's just say to go with all of that, we've assigned some data, and now we can click on this drop-down list and choose who's responsible from that list. So creating our own drop-down lists, obviously that could be names, that could be choices, yes, no, maybe, or whatever you want to do. So it's a quick way of making drop-downs in Google Sheets.